Hello, my name is Vasco Rato. I'm a web developer at Arquivo.pt and I'm here to present Arquivo404. It's happened to everyone. You're following a link from an old post and the web page you wanted to see no longer exists, so you're presented with a 404 page. What do? People in the web archiving community know how to deal with this problem. Just search in on a web archive. However, a lot of people don't know web archives exist, so this solution doesn't apply to everyone. Even those who do might not be willing to invest their time into searching. If it's not one click away, most people won't bother. Additionally, there are many web archives we could search. We might not find it on our favorite web archive when it's available elsewhere. So what's the result? Web archives don't get visited. Maybe this process could be automated. Yes, Arquivo404 is a small piece of JavaScript code intended to be implemented in a server's 404 page. It automatically searches web archives for the missing page and outputs a clickable link to the archived version. This is a win-win-win situation. It's a win for the websites because they can improve their service with minimal effort. It's a win for the users because they can access the content they were looking for. And it's a win for the web archives because it raises awareness of web archiving initiatives. So how do I add Arquivo404 to my website? Arquivo404 can be added by inserting a single line of code into HTML of your website's 404 page. It allows for customized messages and behaviors. You can check the full documentation on arquivo.pt/arquivo404. How does Arquivo404 work? The script runs in the soft 404 page, and it sends the current URL to a web archive like Arquivo.pt. The web archive replies with a list of archived versions of the URL. Then the script picks the oldest version available and adds a link to the archived version. Arquivo404 uses the time map defined by the Memento protocol to search for the missing web page. It can be configured for any web archive to be used, as long as they are compliant with Memento. The Arquivo404 project is free to use, and the source code is available on our GitHub page. Any suggestions on how to improve it are welcome. So stop having broken links on your website, help promote web archives, and use Arquivo404. Thank you.